Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be showing you 8 different ways in which you can fill up all your empty notebooks. So if you are like me and you like to collect cute notebooks, keep watching because this video is for you. But before we step in, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for a weekly dose of relaxing art. It will help me a lot to see that you enjoy my content and it will motivate me to create more. And now let's step into the ways you can fill in your notebooks. First one, and probably the most common, it is a journal. You don't have to write every day, but in general it is good to put somewhere in a notebook important moments in your life. The second one, and kind of related with the first one, it is a notebook for morning pages. This is a concept that means that every morning when you wake up to fill in 3 pages in a notebook with all your thoughts. This will help you to clear your mind and move on with your daily activities. The third method to fill in a notebook, it is an art journal. This is a kind of scrapbooking activity that can develop your creativity and help you keep your memories and important moments in a more pleasant way. The fourth method, and probably also one of the common way, it is a bullet journal to plan your daily activities, track your habits, or plan your meals in a creative way using washi tapes, colors, doodles, or lettering. The fifth way to fill in one of your notebooks, it is a sketch notebook. And this is not only for artists. If you like to doodle or to create different design, you can definitely have a notebook like this. Moving on to the sixth way, and that is a quote notebook. So you can write in it all your favorite quotes, or why not lyrics from your favorite song or poem, or different paragraphs from books that inspire you. The seventh way to fill in a notebook is to keep a calligraphy book. In this way, you can have a place where you can practice and test all your types of scripts. And if you are not into calligraphy, you can use it to simply improve your handwriting. And we arrived at the 8th way to fill in a notebook, and that is keeping a small notebook that fits into your purse so you can get it with you everywhere to note your to-do lists, your urgent things to remember, or simply to write your ideas that are important and you don't want to forget them. I hope you like these ideas of ways to fill in your notebooks, and if you want to see more creative content, please visit my Instagram account. The link is in the description below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!